Yo, hello guys, how's it been? It's your boy Billy here. Welcome back to my channel and yet another video. On this particular one, I'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy A31. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please be a sweetheart and do so right now. Make sure you hit on that bell icon so that you'll be notified when I post another video. With that being done, let's go straight into the video.
Audio Jungle.
Opening the box, you'll be greeted with the smartphone itself. It's wrapped in this leather here. As you can see, it looks so astonishing. Look at the design. This is a black color that I have here with me right now. And yeah, you'll be greeted with this cardboard container here. It's mainly cardboard, yeah, which contains a silicone case, a warranty card, yeah, and some quick start guide here, which could give you some information about the phone. And yeah, that's a silicone case I'm talking about. It's a jelly-like silicone case. It's very flexible. Samsung are generous to include that in this box. And next you have the charging adapter here. It's a fast charger. As you can see, it's written fast charging, adaptive fast charging, and the Type-C USB cable here, and headphones. Yeah, headphones. That's about it. That's what you get from the box. That's all. On the bottom of the phone, you'll be greeted with the 3.5 headphone millimeter jack, Type-C port, microphone, and a speaker. On the right hand side, you'll be greeted with the power button, the volume rocker keys, and on the left you have a SIM card slot, as you can see here, and on the bottom and on the top you have another microphone, and in the front you have the selfie front facing camera. And when you turn into the back, you have this quad camera. As you can see here, it's 4, and flashlight here. On the bottom you have a Samsung Galaxy branding. It looks so sleek from the design. I believe this device is made out of plastic, like solely plastic. I powered up the device and it took it a little while to finish booting and loading everything. Wow, look at that display. Wow, I love it. I've never seen anything like that. It looks so stunning. Look at that. Wow, that looks amazing. The newly launched Samsung Galaxy A31 is a direct successor to the Galaxy A30 smartphone. It features an upgrade in the various aspects and parts of the series. The Galaxy A31 is a mid-range device by Samsung and has a great specification targeted at slightly heavy smartphone users. The smartphone features this awesome dark theme and light theme mode, which I love so much. The Samsung Galaxy A31 has a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display with display resolutions of 1080 by 2400 pixels, and it possesses pixel density of 411 ppi. Wow, that's very huge. That's a very big display. 6.4 inch is quite big and large enough display to immerse users on whatever activities they do on the device. On the rear of the smartphone are 4 cameras carefully arranged in form of an L-shaped design. As is standard practice, the camera is located at the top left corner of the back of the smartphone. These cameras are pegged at a whopping 48 megapixels, 8 megapixels, 5 megapixels, and 5 megapixels respectively. The rear camera also has a LED flash to take photos even in the dark environment. On the front, there's a 20 megapixel selfie camera. I did a camera test on this phone and here's just some of the few pictures I got. The camera has so many amazing features which you would love. It has the Pro mode, the Panorama, the Macro, the Fold mode. The Galaxy A31 comes in 3 variants. One with 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage, the other with 4GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage, and the third one comes with 6GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage for the 3 variants. The internal memory can be expanded with the use of an micro SD card. The device runs on the Android 10 operating system and features an octa-core processor. The Samsung Galaxy A31 smartphone features an on-screen fingerprint sensor, which also supports 4G connectivity. Here's a little fingerprint speed test which I did. In terms of battery, this phone comes with a 5000 mAh battery just like the Samsung Galaxy M11. This device is most largely targeted at heavy smartphone users. It also comes with 15 watts fast charging ability. Samsung Galaxy A31 costs 102,000 naira in Nigeria here. If you live around Yola and you want to buy this device for yourself, you can visit Alamin Standard Vision Limited, home of handset and accessories, located inside Jimeta Shopping Complex, Yola, Adamawa State. Or I'll just leave a number in my description. You can contact me if you want to buy this device for yourself, or you can get it at cheap and affordable prices. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video. If you love it, please do leave a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one.